Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Rugby League 26 crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen on PS5. The first solution is to simply restart your PlayStation. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system caching. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and check problem solved or not. Second solution is to log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account. Go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out. Wait for a few seconds and then log in back. If you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works. Third solution is to check for Rugby League 26 game update. Highlight Rugby League 26 game on your PS5 home screen. Press option button on your controller. Select check for update and if any available, then update it. Fourth solution is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings. Click on users and accounts. Scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Rugby League 26 game and then select restore option. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem fixed or not. Fifth solution is to change console language. Open your PS5 settings and navigate to settings. Go to the language section. Here select your current language. Then try changing it to English or any other language to fix the problem. Fix 6 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works best to fix the issue. Fix 7 is to switch internet connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and check, or restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. You can also connect to the Ethernet cable and then check. 8th solution is to disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select the system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem solved or not. If not, then turn on enable HDCP and then check. 9th solution is to rebuild database on PS5. First of all, turn off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database. Press OK to confirm. Now launch Rugby League 26 and check if this fixes your issue or not. 10th solution is to disable performance mode. Start PS5, click the gear icon on the top right of your PS5 home screen. Navigate to settings, save data and game/app settings. Scroll down to game presets, go to performance mode or resolution mode and select game default. 11th solution is to delete game data and cache. Make sure to back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Go to PS5 settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage. Choose Rugby League 26, then select delete. OK. Now restart your console and try again and see if this fixes your issue or not. 12th solution is to update system software on your PS5. Go to PS5 settings, system. Select system software update and settings. Select update system software to update if any updates appear. 13th solution is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network. Set up internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose do not specify for DHCP hostname. In the DNS settings, choose manual and enter the primary DNS as 8888 and secondary DNS as 8844. This is a Google DNS server. Now check. You can also use the Cloudflare DNS, that is 1111 as the primary DNS and 1001 as the secondary DNS. For the proxy server, choose do not use. Check if solve your issue or problem or not. 14th solution is to reinstall transfer the game to SSD. If you are using an SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Rugby League 26 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel.